Hello, this is Maria. For this tutorial, you will need a square, cardboard or canvas, or a wooden piece of art like I have in front of me. And it has to be black, so if you have a canvas, you better color it in black. Also, you need the proper dot painting tools that you can find on Amazon, and I have shared the link with you. And also acrylic paint. Here I'm using different shades of red. So first, take the center of the paper and divide it into 4 equal sections, and using the protractor, trace a grid line every 30 degrees. Like in every mandala, we start from the center. First, I'm going to put a big dot of red in the center of the mandala, and then following the axis that I have drawn, the grid lines, I'm going to start placing my points. Now in the tools you have, there's different sizes of tips. So I will be showing you the tips I'm using in this tutorial. If you're not going to use the same exact tip, it's okay, but try to use a small tip when I'm going small and use a large tip when you see me going large. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial. Let's get drawing. This is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on, like and comment, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.